that could potentially lead to the exoneration of a death row inmate from Anderson County. Fox 51's Ashlyn Anderson breaks down today's decision and what's next for Robert Roberson.
Does that work for both sides?
Yes, Your Honor.
That sounds great, Your Honor.
Both the state and defense agreed to allow Judge Austin Reeve Jackson to reevaluate the death row case of Anderson County man Robert Roberson, who is now challenging his 2003 conviction for the killing of his 2-year-old daughter, Niki.
Take that already admitted evidence, get it admitted, considered in where we are now, and then let's hash out how Roar does or doesn't change things.
This stems from an early 2000s Dallas-based case that let Andrew Rourke go free because new scientific discoveries debunked the shaken baby theory that convicted him to 35 years in prison.
But I do feel a bit morally affronted that the state's answer seems to about being trying to inject bias against Mr. Roberson based on a completely bogus representation of the record when this is supposed to be about science.
Judge Jackson will review evidence presented in the original trial, 2004 and 05 appeals. He will then determine if the Rourke precedent applies to Roberson.
The 05 application does not rely on new changes in science since the 03 and 04 applications were filed.
His legal team argues the shaken baby theory that put him away has since been discredited.
But the evidence that might be relevant to an actual innocence claim is almost all still relevant to the changed science claim.
In Rourke's case, he was released on bond in 2012 and fully exonerated in 2024. In the case of Robert Roberson, how the judge rules could be the difference between a life outside of a prison cell and his deathbed. Ashlyn Anderson, Fox 51 News.